Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital. Today I'm demonstrating a DC-406-Static-Key, and it is simply a 6-digit number display, static number display, and you can display either a production count or you can display a time of day or time count of your production simply by pushing. There would be the representation of the time it took to produce so many products, and this would be your counter of how many products. Comes with a keypad, 25 button keypad, which we can program it for however you want the functionality, but this is our standard keypad. To simply press in the count or the numbers that you would like, push set, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, push enter, and it's as simple as that. If you want to represent time, we have that feature also. It's a single button. You don't have to push enter. So this customer is wanting to display end of day production count. Comes with a 25-foot cord. The display is an all extruded aluminum enclosure, 4-inch high digits, 6 digits of course, 120 wall adapter with a 6-foot cord. Set, enter. Simple as that. Again, this is Jim with DC Digital. This is a DC-406-Static-Key. Thank you.